Boom! Hello, welcome back. So today we have a very awesome team transport here. So no, I did not find this in stores. In fact, I haven't seen the this set of team transport in stores yet. I don't know what you call each set, but yeah. So this one we've got the Alfa Romeo 155, the 61 Impala, and here the 70 Rover P6 Group 2. So very cool set. Now, I obviously, like I said, I haven't found this in the stores. I haven't even seen these cars in stores yet, so who knows. But I ordered this off of Modelmatic, of course. I was going to show me ordering some cars in my last peg hunt where I kind of cheated because I went and bought some stuff online. But yeah, definitely worth it. I feel like this might be the hard one to find in stores because we all remember that pesky little MG Metro. Yeah, that was a hard one to find, wasn't it? I never found it. I only saw it once, and that was in the hands of some other bloke at Smith's Toys who just got to the stock just before me. Yeah. So I decided to order this one. They've actually stopped people buying loads of these. It's now one per customer on that website, which is, you know, fair game really, because I'm pretty sure people were buying off of them to then ship these out at a higher cost, because these were selling, or at least the MG was selling for quite a high profit on eBay, as they do, as those scalpers like to do. So yeah, pretty awesome. Bit cheaty to have to order it online, but you know, we've got to do what we've got to do these days. Luckily this wasn't too much. I mean, it was still at a higher price. I think it was like 22 quid rather than being 15, 16 you'd find it in the store. But hey, I've actually got one and we can check it out because I'm really interested in how the trailer all works. The little van is very cool. These are by far the best team transport you can get in my opinion. The lorries are okay, but the little van and the trailer, oh, that looks so much better. So of course we got to open this one up because I just got to know. And we're not faffing around with any removing glue, or we're not going to tear it open, but I'm not faffing about with removing glue or anything. We're just going to slice it open, I think. I can always leave the top part like a hinge, so we can just squeeze it out. There we go. There's a nice little bit of plastic insert to keep it in all together. Let's lower the camera a little bit and get this beast out. So there's the little van. Hotwheels rally hauler, so I think that is just don't think that's an official licensed thing, but it's still very cool. And there we have it, the Rover and trailer. Oh man, the trailer even stands up properly because it's got the two wheels, which are also real riders. Very nice. Oh, that is very cool. This is cool. Oh, and it can hook. Oh, it actually pulls it. Yes. Oh man, that is so cool. I can see why the last one was so popular. They do these quite often, don't they? They've done a few on trailers. They're probably the sought after ones every time, because this is a full metal trailer, as you'd sort of expect. But I think you're getting a bit more out of your money for these, because the van has a lot more detail. It's a lot cooler than most of the lorries in my opinion. But most of the lorries have a load of plastic pieces, whereas this trailer, I know there's less to it, it's only a small trailer compared to a lorry, but it's all metal, apart from this piece here for the wheels. The wheels are proper real riders. And it's even got some, you know, it's got some detail there, with like some straps or something. You got rear lights up there. That is sweet, actually, I like that. And when the car's on it, actually levels it out a bit more. So here we have the hauler, and just look at the detail. Like, there's the base. We already had a look at it, but Zamac base, which you got the front splitter there. You got the little cutout for the front grille, which is Zamac as well. We've got all the lights there. That looks really awesome. Got like a split screen effect, or are they the wipers? Oh, they might be the wipers. We've got the little marker lights on top there. We've got this massive roof rack, or sort of roof container on top to store stuff in, which is really awesome. Got the nice race stripes, the same colours as the race car on the side here, which span the whole van. Look at that at the back. We got the rear bumper out of the Zamac as well, out of the base as well. We've got the rear light details. They've detailed in the handles too. How, oh, dropping it now. How awesome is that? That is just a really nice little thing. That is so cool. And obviously it has the tow bar to then hitch up to the trailer. That's really, that's actually quite fun to play with. Just sit there reversing it around, parking it up. I'm weird. That's really cool though, I love that. And here we have the Rover. We've got the number 62 on the side, we've got the Rover on the back there, Castrol livery there. I can't see what that says. Coney brand down there. Oh, everything's tiny. I can't actually read that one. I'll leave that up for you guys to find that one out. Got 62 on the hood and Rover there. The bonnet catches. And all the nice detail. Look at that. Very, very nice detail on that. That is so cool. Liking the wheels on this one as well. Proper racer inspired wheels. We'll have a quick look at the base as well, before I forget. Decent amount of detail. We get to see the exhaust going out of the sides there. There's all the text gubbins down there. That's really nice. It's got a roll cage, half roll cage in the back there. Filler cap detailed in, and there's the rear. That looks so cool. That is really, really nice. I've got to say, this is awesome. I can see why the trailers are very popular. And I'm not sure... That holds that car really well. Oh. Oh no, we've come unhitched. That is so sweet. I'm not sure if these are... This is half the problem. I don't think Mattel release a box of 6. They'll have like 2 of one and then 1 of the rest. So it's just so easy for one to become a peg warmer. I don't know if they had 2 of the MG. I can't remember. But even if they did, it didn't matter because they were scalped to the high hill and very hard to find. I've noticed, luckily the camera doesn't really pick it up, but I've left a lot of scratches on my desk. I haven't even done that many videos on this new desk yet. Speaking of the new desk, what do you think? Do you think I should get all the posters back up? I do miss the posters, they look cool. But the camera definitely focuses on the cars with the plain background way better than it did with all the Hot Wheels posters in the back. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah, let me know what you think of this down in the comments. This is so cool. Oh, I love this to bits. I'm so glad I ordered this online. I really don't think I'm going to see it in the shops. I really wish Hot Wheels did more of these, released more for one, and put more in their cases so they're not so hard to get hold of. Yeah, I love this. That's very cool. I can see why the MG was a very popular one as well. And I'd actually go out to say this is better than the MG for sure. Or is it? Let me know in the comments what you think on that. While you're down there, drop a like and subscribe and all that amazing stuff. But yeah, that's all for now. So best of luck in your peg hunts as always. Good luck finding this team transport set yourself. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.